Hi there, this is Roger with Foxscapes. We're out here at Mason High School today. Just getting finished up with some drainage system area. I'd like to show you what's going on. So over here we got a 4 foot by 5 foot dry well. It's about 5 foot deep. We got about a foot of stone on the bottom. We put a culvert in here. We're gonna cut it to grade so all water flows to it. As it flows in, the water pressure up underneath will fill up the dry well. We put some relief pipes up here at the top, higher than our main. That way the main doesn't leach into us. This just leaches into the main. So ideally, once this all fills up, it can relieve itself. So behind me here, we got 110 foot runs of French drain, 1 foot by 1 foot by 1 foot, submerged with the stones, 3/8 to 1. We got them all coming in here to our solid pipe, which is gonna run about 500, 600 feet over to the main drain there. Every 50 feet, we got these pop-ups right here, and they're gonna be clean out ports with lids on them. On top of the lids, we're gonna pop holes in them. That way it doesn't get vapor locked. So ideally, without it getting vapor locked, if this 4-inch pipes get submerged with water, it's gonna start like a siphoning system. Until it gets to that vapor lock area, it releases. So it'll actually help start a suction process. Once it gets low enough, it still can leach like it should. So after all that fills up, where it's gonna drain out to is over here on the side. Everything's submerged underground, so there's no debris, no nothing. So it's all clean water flowing into the sewer. We got a 6-inch T, we gotta convert into a 4-inch. Once again, it's gonna run down this way and just tee in. This is a pretty intricate system we got going here, not a typical French drain. So we're working in like 0.75 increments of a downhill slope within 10 feet. Wrapped up today, and Monday we'll be here to hydro seed.